gather information from IoT search engines. IoT search engines crawl the internet for IoT devices that are publicly accessible. These search engines provide a crucial information including control of SCADA system, traffic control system, internet connected household applications, appliances, industrial appliances, CCTV cameras, etc. Here we will search for information about a vulnerable IoT device in the target organization using the shortened IoT search engines. We open a browser and type the shortened.io and enter. Shortened page appears. In the search bar, type Amazon and press enter. Note, here we are searching for a publicly available information on a target Amazon. However, you can search on a target of your choice. You will obtain the search results within the details of all vulnerable IoT devices related to Amazon in various countries as shown in our web browser. That concludes the demonstration of gathering vulnerable IoT information using the shortened search engine. You can also use Sins.io IoT search engines to gather information such as manufacturer details, geographical locations, IP address, host name, open ports, etc. So here is the SSL certificate, all the information about Amazon.com, data service South Africa, data service from UK. All details are available in this browser. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.